If you want to open a WeChat account but don't have anyone to scan the required QR code for verification, here is a simple workaround. First, open WeChat and instead of selecting Sign Up, tap on Login. Now click on the option More given at the very bottom. Select the option Help Center. Next, tap Send Feedback. For the platform, select the device you are using. Then select the reason. Select Categories. Select the category as Account Registration. Likewise, select this as Assistant Registration. In the description box, explain clearly that you cannot complete account registration because you do not have access to someone who can scan the QR verification code. Make sure to write details so they understand your issue. Then enter your desired WeChat username and provide a valid email address where they can contact you. Finally, scroll down and tap Submit. The WeChat support team will reach out to your email and help you finish creating your account without needing QR code verification. And that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.